Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For this episode I think I'm gonna try to practice my hammer skill, and for a newcomer this is my guild card. So I have been using hammer in total of 39 times, 39 hunts. I just try to master more than just one or two weapons. So my most comfortable weapon to use is a heavy bow gun in Monster Hunter World, and second is insect glaive, and then light bow gun, and then dual blade. That is like the most comfortable. The bow, I don't know how I get that high, so I just want to practicing a lot of weapon before the Y come out to get more option to play. I see the video online and they say that the weapons gonna change how to use it. Fatalist again is a warm up monster. Oh, Goratian, yeah, that would be fun. I forgot to eat, so let me eat first. Attack up large. Let's wound his leg or body. Oh, it's a body. Switch to this. Nice one. Big damage. Oh, I forgot. I want to change the augment to have a health regain. Oh my god, I missed the head again. Oh, he stacker, so I missed. Big damage time. Nice one. Hit again. Nice. Nice. I hit the head again. Nice. Oh, a lot of damage. Nice, nice. Nice one. Big damage again. This is why I love the hammer, because of the big damage. Not high as the great sword, but it have more consistent, because the great sword, if you want to use it, you need to have to charge something, I think, and it quite easy to miss because it's a straight line and really narrow, but you can change the direction. But after all, you need to know the monster really well to do that quite hard, but it's faster than a great sword. That's why I like the hammer, and it can stun easily. So before I forgot, let me do that again. I need to hunt Namio again if I want to use health regain. But yeah, it's not that bad. Namio is not the hardest elder dragon in the game. And I have the level 7 Color Highland in my guiding land already, so it's not like hard to find, because normally if it is another region that I don't have level 7 on, I need to find another people that have level 7 on that specific region and beg them to like, yeah, can you hunt this elder dragon please. Normally in Monster Hunter Rise, if I want to warm up, I just play solo for Ratian. And if I want to try out the new weapons, yeah, I'm gonna try on Latian. Let's help this guy out. Oh, he's a big boy. Oh, I missed a big hit. Oh, at least it hit. Oh my god. I need to stop using my joystick when I let go of the right trigger. Nice. Nice one. Nice. Oh. Lucky he didn't hit me. Nice. But he said he didn't wound again. I missed the big hit again. Oh, stop moving, please. Oh, it hit his leg, not his head. Oh, nice. He got back for the hit. Nice. He died before he hit the wall. Just watching the YouTube and then this channel recommended to me, and then I just watch and I watch he play the sword and shield that have a support build, and I quite like it. Maybe I gonna try to use that, but it's a sword and shield. I'm not quite good with the weapon yet, so maybe later. So this is all my equipment, as you guys can see, and this is what the skill: attack boost, critical eye, agitator, earplug, event window, hit boost, weakness exploit, device basic, handicraft, slugger. This one is for maximum damage, but this set that I made, it didn't come from my idea, it come from someone else for this channel. And if it's for me, I gonna do a 5 slugger instead to stun monster more frequently. No, no need Kante. Nice. Oh my god. Nice one. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Ow. I miss again. Oh, I hit. Nice. Let me wound his head again. Nice one. He's done. Oh, I missed. Oh, nice one. The Drestra. I think that's gonna be fun. So let me do that. Only one player. Okay. Oh my god, he can push me away. Nice one. Again. Catty, this is the worst time to paralyze the monster, man. Nice one. Oh, big damage. Damn, nice one, man. No, my ballista. You're gonna pay for it, man. Nice. Nice one. Oh my god, that's a great shot, man. Nice. No, not like that, man. It's not what I thought. It's time for sharpening. Why did I do that, man? His main like high order sparking, I didn't see that. I just thought it's his, I mean the fire aura, but it's not. Nice. Nice. He fell again. Oh, he pushed me again, man. Oh, sorry, did you hurt, bro? Oh, sorry, baby boy. Nice. Oh, he fell again. Oh, big damage time, big damage time. Come. Nice. Oh my god. Better than sword and shield. I mean my charm, not the weapons. I just comfortable using hammer more than sword and shield, that's all. Oh, a gem. Nice. So that is for this video. After this, for 2 or 3 days I have to be in the hospital for my father. The video may be gonna be delayed, but I hope not. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, or leave a suggestion in the comment. See you in the next video. Have a good hunt. Bye bye.